Linking your bank account to Otter.ai can help streamline your payment process for premium features. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Log into your Otter.ai account. Visit the Otter.ai website and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled Payment Information or Billing. Click on this option to proceed to the payment setup. Step 4. Choose bank account linking. Look for an option to link a bank account. This may be labeled as Add Bank Account or Link Bank Account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 5. Enter bank details. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that all details are accurate before submitting. After completing these steps, your bank account should be linked to your Otter.ai account, allowing for seamless transactions. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section or customer support for assistance.